Morning, everyone. I just need a little vibration rise myself, so I thought I'd have a little bit of a play at shifting energy. So let's. Do you all know about sage sticks? Sort of feeling like it's time to shimmy some energy with sage. Apparently, it's becoming harder to get a hold of because so many people have been using it in the last year. But you can just you can buy little sage sticks. They sort of look like a cigar of sage, the herb, and basically when you light it, the energy releases, the smoke releases negative energy, negative entities around you. So it's just something that I haven't done for a little while, and it's probably time, because in my clients coming into the clinic, we're having these big discussions around world events and what's going on and how everything's going and where it's all going. So we have quite big, deep conversations. And for those who have been unaware, it's a really interesting when you've got the timeline and you know what's happening and someone's way over here and you've got to get them to here. So it's a big, anyway, so it's energy shifting. So let's just blast some of that energy to start with. Okay, so where do we need to go? Let's raise that central meridian. Central meridian just increases energy to that frontal cortex, allowing you to think, allowing you to feel, allowing you to be open to new information and ideas. When we're not open, we're closed. When we're closed, we are just taken along the lines that others want us to go along. So everything we can do to open that frontal cortex, depending on where you are in the world, it's sunshine, it's fresh air, it's eating clean, it's being aware of everything you're eating. It's avoiding the genetic modification where you can. It's just going organic when you can, purifying your water, purifying your air if you live somewhere, getting an air purifier in your house, just keeping every part of yourself as clean and healthy as possible to get us through this nightmare that is the world at the moment. So, raising vibration. Okay. We are safe, we are happy, we are sovereign. We are safe, we are happy, we are sovereign. We are safe, we are happy, we are sovereign. We are safe, we are happy, we are sovereign. We are safe, we are happy, we are sovereign. We are safe, we are happy, we are sovereign. Amygdala. Yeah, wanting to run away. Do you have many days when you don't feel like running away at the moment? Okay, so escape, submission, freeze, energy, 999, 999, 999. I am safe, I am protected. 999, 999, 999. Giving it all up to Father, Son, Father in heaven. 999, 999, 999. Grounding that negative energy into the earth. Grounding it, allowing the negativity to go up from our crown chakra up to Father, Son, and down through the feet, down into the center of the earth. Allow that negativity to release. Release, release, release. That's better. Okay, so where do we need to go? Okay, so trust and trust issues. Is there anyone at the moment that you're having a hard time trusting? Is it the media? Is it the politicians? Is it family and friends? Is it people who are wearing the mask, people who are not wearing the mask, people who have been vaccinated, people who haven't been vaccinated? Where is the trust sitting at the moment? And be aware that our bodies we are in charge of our bodies. Everything we do, we are making a conscious choice about our bodies, our freedoms, our sovereignty, our sovereign nature on this planet of ours. Okay, so there's some anger that's stopping trust and trust issues. I trust my voice. I trust my thoughts. I trust my fellow human beings. Trust is good. I trust my conscious brain to take in information. I trust my conscious brain to be able to discern truth from lies. I trust my conscious brain to be open, to be able to hear, to be able to listen. I trust myself. I trust my safety. Okay, next. Okay, then I'll just finish off with that frontal cortex. So that's that little area, the anterior commissure. So when it's overloaded, it shuts down, it activates cortisol, it shuts down our serotonin and dopamine. So we're not feeling good about those things in our life that we would normally enjoy because the stress is dampening our feel-good hormones. So we want to wake up that anterior commissure. So the nerves to the front of the brain, increasing dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, increasing my feel-good hormones. Beautiful conversion of serotonin to melatonin. Beautiful conversion of melatonin to serotonin. So what ends up happening when we're inflamed, when we're stressed, we stop releasing these feel-good hormones. Just wake up that frontal cortex. That's what sunshine does. That was what fresh air does. It opens up our frontal cortex. Sitting and breathing in for 5 and out for 7 creates a pump in our lungs and allows us to release those toxins that have built up in our cells over the day. And you do it for whatever number of minutes that you've got. If you've got 30 seconds, do it for 30 seconds. If you've got 5 minutes, do it for 5 minutes. But that helps to regulate heartbeat. It helps to regulate anxiety. It helps to regulate stress. Okay, I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. I am happy, I am healthy, I am free. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Take care. Love you. Bye.